Hello children, today we are going to see the continuation of the lesson, the Earth in the Solar System. The satellite is an object in space that orbits or circles around a bigger object. There are two kinds of satellites. They are natural and artificial satellites. Natural satellites means a natural object in space that moves around a planet or star. Artificial satellite, which means an object which has been sent into space in order to collect information or to be a part of a communication system. Now we are going to see about Moon. The Moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. A natural satellite is a space body that orbits a planet-like object or an asteroid. It is the fifth largest moon in the solar system. The average distance from the moon to the Earth is 384,403 kilometers. The moon orbits the Earth every 27 days. The moon rotates on its axis in around the same length of time it takes to orbit the Earth. The side that we can see from Earth is called the near side, while the other side is called the far side. The first person to set foot on the moon was Neil Armstrong. The Earth tides are largely caused by the gravitational pull of the moon. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth is between the sun and the moon. The next topic, we are going to learn about asteroids. What is an asteroid? Asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the sun. Although asteroids orbit the sun like planets, they are much smaller than planets. There are lots of asteroids in our solar system. Most of them live in the main asteroid belt, a region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are left over from the formation of our solar system. Our solar system began about 4.6 billion years ago when a big cloud of gas and dust collapsed. When this happened, most of the material fell to the center of the cloud and formed the sun. Some of the condensing dust in the cloud became planets. The objects in the asteroid belt never had the chance to be incorporated into planets. There are leftovers from that time long ago when planets formed. The next topic, we are going to learn about meteoroids. What is a meteoroids? Meteoroids are all related to the flashes of light called shooting stars, sometimes seen streaking across the sky. But we call the same object by different names depending on where it is. Meteoroids are objects in space that range in size from dust grains to small asteroids. Think of them as space rocks. When meteoroids enter Earth's atmosphere at high speed and burn up, the fireballs or shooting stars are called meteors. When a meteoroid survives a trip through the atmosphere and hits the ground, it is called a meteorite. The question for this session: first question, define satellite. Second, how long does the moon take to move around the earth? Third question, what is asteroid? Fourth, differentiate between meteoroid and meteor. Fifth question, picture-based question. This question you have to refer geography book, page number 6. A, identify the picture. B, where it is found. Thank you, children.